Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come and show you guys how you can still wear protective styles and not have to take it down every week and still use Chebe. So I've had this style in for about a week now, so it's time for me to reapply. I have flat twist in, and I have a whole separate video on how I applied the Chebe to put them in the flat twist, because I did use a different form of Chebe when I put them in, and how I am now currently about to reapply using Chebe still. Okay, so this is how my hair looks. Flat twisted all the way around. And so I already did this little front section about reapplying. And it's really simple how you reapply the Chebe in a protective style. Like if you're wearing braids and stuff like that. So, sorry. 1 second. So what I'm using is the Naturefinity hair butter with Chebe in it, and this is what it looks like. And what I'm doing is really simple, really quick, and really easy. So I have my water, just plain water. I know some people use different things for their liquid, but I just use plain water. And I'm just gonna spray my front section because that's where I'm reapplying right now. And I'm using a mister bottle. I'll leave a link to that as well in the description box. And if you want to use try the butter, I'll also have that link in the description box as well. So I spray my hair really well with water. I work it in until I feel like I'm comfortable with it. You know your hair and how much product and how much water and all of that you want to use or that you feel comfortable with. So apply as much or as little as you like. But I really wanted to be enough. So I wanted to actually don't just be on the surface. I wanted to go all the way through the twist. So I wanted to kind of soak all the way into the middle, not just be on the outside surface. So that's why I spray a good bit of water. So then what I'm doing is I'm just taking my butter. Okay, and I'm just going to apply it. So I'm going to apply it to the actual twist part. So it's not going on my scalp, and that was actually a good glob of it right there. But I'm just putting it on the hair itself. I don't normally put anything on my scalp at all. And then I'm going to work it all the way down. So these are two twisted together. So then I'm just going to apply it to each individual piece all the way down to the ends. And I'm just going to try to work it through a little bit. And don't worry if you're using the butter. If right now you can kind of see it sitting on top of my hair. Like you can see the yellowness. Don't worry about it because it's gonna soak in. And it's not going to take forever to soak in. It's probably going to be pretty much melted in my hair by the time I'm done with my head. So maybe a good 5-10 minutes is how long it's going to take. So I'm going all the way down to my ends. And since these two were kind of twisted together, I'm just going to twist those back. See, really simple. I'm already done with those two twists. So you can still use Chebe if you are wanting to protective style and you're wondering like, oh my gosh, I have to take down my style every week. No, just get you the butter and apply it in the style. And your hair will still be moisturized after. I did this before. You can check out my other video. And I actually did it when I had in synthetic fake hair added to my hair. And I used this method. And even with the synthetic hair on, intertwined, my hair was moisturized and I kept it up for a whole month. And all I did was reapply just like this every week. So it is definitely still possible. And you can still protect your hair and take care of it. Make sure it's moisturized the whole time. See? Really quick and easy.